Yo, what's up, beautiful people? Thank you so much for stopping by to the team, Brian. So today we are in the Museum of Illusion here in the Gate Mall in Doha, Qatar, and it's really amazing, beautiful. You've met with the best team. They have really shown us around, and it's really, really amazing. So I'm going to just do a brief tour of what we just saw. We may not explain to details like the way we are being explained to, but I believe whatever I'm going to show you, you're going to like it and visit the place. Not really expensive. It's really less. It's affordable, yeah, because it's only 80 real. And if you want to see more about it, just visit Instagram, their Instagram pages. I'm going to link them down there so that you can see them. Yeah, it's a beautiful place here in the Gate Mall. You can see how even the environment is really beautiful. So let me walk you through the I will cut you. Sorry. Let me walk you through the Museum of Illusion. So let's go in. Yeah, so guys, let me start through the entrance. This is the first place that you're going to meet. Once you're in the Museum of Illusion, you can see the amazing things here. Actually, this is from far. You can see it's a face and with numbers and everything, and the images are making up to one face, and it's one of the famous faces. You can see it. There is a very exciting things. Once you're here, they're going to explain to you better. And there is one thing here I was really surprised that you see it's a stick and an image, and they said once you roll it, it's going to go through it like that. Thank God I got the concept. Yeah, and a lot of things, really beautiful. You can see, once you look at this thing, you can see as if they are twisting or something, and all is amazing. Yeah, it's worth your money actually. And this image, if you look at it, is evolving in a way, and there is another one really amazing, beautiful. I'm just going to kuwapatia tu ile juju details information, but if you visit this place, you're going to meet an amazing team, and they're going to show you around, and it's so beautiful. You can walk around and check it out. There is another room here. They say if you stand in one edge of the room and another one stand here, it's going to look taller than the other. I'm going to show you already some clip that we made, and it's really amazing. It's really beautiful. Yeah, and a lot of them, guys, you can check them. We explain this to them, and there's some images here. If you measure the boxes and the angle, they look all the same. Like the length is the same. If you measure this one, it's really illusion. Like you think, what is happening here, you know? And all this, yeah. And there's an amazing upside down room. Yeah, there's a way you can take a picture. It's going to look like it's upside down, and we took a lot of pictures. We're going to insert and you see them. It's really amazing. It's really, really amazing. And guys, I'm with Roslyn. I think it's long time they saw you. They should see you, eh? She's rocking.
How are you?
She's
Welcome
rocking.
To the Team Brian YouTube channel. Please remember to subscribe. I'm actually holding a souvenir. This is one of the puzzles that actually gave me a very difficult time too. So at the moment we are at Museum of Illusions, not Museum of Islamic Art. Yeah. Museum of Illusions. We have a couple of pictures here. I think the team Brian is gonna put them up so you can see the concept of whatever we are talking about.
Exactly.
We also have another room over there where I don't know. I can't really describe it. We're just gonna have to put a picture so that you guys can have a look, because this illusion concept thing, I'm still trying to comprehend whatever is happening.
Exactly.
So we are going to keep walking. Look at this area.
And
This place gave me a nightmare because I kind of feel like I'm falling down. Yeah, Jesus. Heaven.
see a lot of, I think.
It's more of an infinity thing, right? Because when you stare down, you feel like you're falling. The reflection is continuous, non-stop. It doesn't stop. And when we looked through this area, it's more of a hologram. I think there's a picture of here.
Yeah.
It looks like it's protruding.
Popping out in a way.
Yeah, popping out in some. Yeah.
Yeah,
this whatever the
one was perfect.
Yeah, so as you walk by, you're gonna see the hologram concept. I think I made a clip, so we will attach it. Yeah. What else? We had this.
This was crazy.
This was crazy because when you stand here, what do you see? a triangle. But when you walk to this side, it looks like a square. So that is the illusion, because you're wondering, wait, how did this happen? So obviously I didn't get the correct answer, but they explained to us that there is a mirror in between. So there's actually two triangles put together, and that's the illusion.
Exactly.
We had other places. I made a video about this thing. So when you look at it from a distance, what do you see? Nothing. But when you move closer, it's actually a microscope, which you can see a mosquito inside.
I think they can see, but
I made a video.
Yeah, you made a video on that.
Great. I made a video about this as well.
Amazing one.
Oh yes.
If you look, it was really illusion.
The trick is you have two mirrors. It's not one. You're not gonna, go through this area and come out through this other side. No, because if I put my hand like this, you will see from the other side. So they are two mirrors, but it's the reflection concept.
I should hire you.
Oh yes. There's one that gave me a nightmare.
That is beautiful.
When you get in, you feel like you're falling. I have to close my eyes. No, I cannot do it. Please, let's go. Yeah, it's scary even for you, right?
True.
And we have this place.
You have a lot of nice pictures of this place.
And there is a picture that we took. I'm gonna show you how it looks like.
So the concept is there's a hole on the other side. You come here and you put your head up, and we don't want to spoil the fun. You're going to, if you come here, you're going to see it by yourself.
When we got to this place, we were just having a rough idea of what, I still have the souvenir. We were still having the rough idea of whatever is happening. We were having fun, but then we wanted to share with you guys whatever fun we had.
Yeah, true.
That was crazy. Okay. What else? Oh, okay.
This one, it was like revolving. This was
Michael Jackson thingy. Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's more of the, and this one was interesting. Like the picture, when you take a picture, it's as if you're sitting on a big chair or something. It was really crazy. You're going to see it. Couple of games.
That gave us. You know, if you ask me to play this game again, I would say.
This one no. Yeah, but we got a nice lady who gave us a clue, but I think we can't get it. And you have a nice view of Doha.
No, there's 12,000 subscribers.
This was also beautiful,
Okay guys, so here we have an old guy with a nose. So the trick is when you move like this, left to the right, the guy is looking at you, you know, like how amazing we are. But when you try to touch his nose, the picture is actually, you know, I don't know how to say, it's inverted.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's not protruding from the outside.
Yeah, it's just like towards the inside.
Towards the inside. So that is the trick. That is why when you move around, it actually appears that the guy is following you.
And the same old man, I think, is the one on the other picture, the one with numbers on.
Yeah. But this is Einstein, right?
Yeah, I think, who is he?
Robert.
Yeah. I think you're right.
Is it Robert Einstein, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Albert.
Albert. Who is Robert? Hey. Albert Einstein.
I didn't do history.
No, it's not history, it's science.
It's science, huh?
And then Akram. Let me try to explain how you explained it to me. So the illusion here is you have this screen with a snowflake, but it's only one screen. The trick is these mirrors. They make it appear that there is a bigger, like a globe of a screen. Okay. So the reflection is what plays the trick here. I actually thought it was more screens, but it's only one screen.
Yeah, it's one screen.
Okay.
And
these people, they are living down.
This one,
There are people living down.
monsters down there. The moment you try to this is also beautiful, yeah. To see a reflection of yourself with different colors. You can show them. Wow. We took some amazing pictures on this side.
Yes, we did.
We're going to start and then we're going to see them. It's really beautiful.
Yeah, amazing pictures. It's all about this. I don't know how to describe.
Color pink. So guys, this is the last and amazing part where we have a couple of trick puzzles that you have to solve, and it's really amazing.
Like this one from the souvenir shop.
The thing, you can also buy them here. It's really cheap and affordable. And there's this magic mirror or something. The moment you're sitting there, it's as if you're sitting with a group of yourself, like the self-meeting. So this is the best place to come and chill out, guys, and it's really amazing. So if you've not subscribed, do subscribe and join the community. Also visit this place, share your comment down if you've came here before. You can come with family, a friend, or it's really free. So long as you keep the, it's COVID time, you keep the social distance, wear on your mask. I'm
Where
not
is
putting
your
on my
mask?
Because I'm shooting, but I had my mask. It's over there.
We have one last item.
So, this one also is amazing.
This picture. So what we were told is, they asked us, what do you see? Do you see someone staring at you, or do you see someone looking on the side? So I said, I'm looking at someone staring at me, right? Brian said he's looking at what he sees is someone staring on the side, right? So they informed us, when you are looking at it from an angle and it appears like someone is looking on the side, you are shy. You are what?
So that's totally opposite of me. Like
Totally?
shy,
Really?
yeah.
Okay, I don't want to praise myself. What did they say about me? Because me, I saw something different.
That's why you brought
What
it
did
up.
they say? Of course, please praise me now.
You're
Praise
positive.
me.
They say that thing positivity part of it. You are confident.
Amazing, beautiful,
you're amazing,
billionaire,
you're beautiful,
extrovert.
you have money.
Hey, this one now, wow.
So guys, let's close down the video. I really appreciate you for watching. Join the community. See you again in our next video.